Hello guys, here's again Kira Kрафтцофф, and today I will show you my best exercise for the right hand. You know, everybody has problem with this angle. This angle, sometimes it's not really 90 degrees what we really need, especially in the end here or something like this. So we lose control of the bow and we cannot produce the great sound. And when I was young, I was picking up the mirror, sitting in front of the mirror. I was trying to control my bow. Do I do it right way, or it's go to the right or to the left, where to go down and high? But I mean, we can use phone, of course, camera to control it, but there's much more easy way to check everything what's going on with your right hand. And this is the best solution I show you right now. So you just grab the bow, put it on the string, trying to check the angle, more or less 90 degrees. Fine. Hold it with the left hand. Right hand down. Now you put it on the bow and start to move, because this is the line you use with your right hand with your bow. This is how it's to be in the D and G string, like this. At the end, little bit. Don't go like this, you know, this is wrong, because it will stop all energy here. So feel comfortable, because it's the most natural way how you do this, like that. Right? Perfect. Now you go back a little bit, wrist a little bit high, and start to move from the shoulder. And this is your line. The same on the G string, the same on the C string, and the same on the E string. The most important, that you start to move from shoulder, even from your back, not from the elbow, wrist, of anyway, not from the fingers. You start this movement from here, and everything follows. And the bow is just the last point of your hand. You know, not the fingers, but the bow. The same line. So here, 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 like this. And this is your line. So you will never go there. And you will control the memory of the shoulder. You will control, where is my shoulder? Here for a right line, like this, or like this, and not somewhere there. So very easy, but great exercise. I'm still doing and checking, well, everything goes okay or not. Even I'm professional cello player who plays many years, but we always have to improve. It doesn't matter you're amateur or you're professional. It's a lot of things to improve all our life until the end of these days. Stay healthy, be healthy, practice cello, and we'll see you in the next lesson. If you like it, don't forget to put the like and subscribe. Kira Kрафтцофф, cello.